Good dear Royals, today we talk about probability. So, what is probability? So, a probability is the chance that some event will occur. So, pag sinabi natin probability, ito ay sumusukat sa pagkakataon na ang isang pangyayari o kaganapan ay pwedeng mangyari or magkatotoo. Next, sample event is one outcome or a collection of an outcomes. Next, an outcome. It is a possible result in a probability experiment. So if we say outcome, ito ay posibilidad na magiging resulta ng isang pagsisiyasat o isang pag-aaral. Random. Each outcome is equally likely to occur. And the last one, that is complementary events. Complementary events are two events in which either one or the other must happen. So, probability can be written as fraction or the decimal or what we call percent. So, the value between the probability is 0 or what we call impossible happen and 1 that is certainly happen. So, this is the formula in getting the probability. So, the probability of event is just equal to the number of favorable outcomes all over the number of possible outcomes. So here's the examples. First, the flip of a coin. So in a coin, we have one tail and one head. So we have two outcomes. So if we get the probability of heads is just equal to 1/2 or 0.5 or 50%. Same as root from tail is just equal to 1/2 or 0.5 or 50% in just one coin. Another example, how about we have flip of two coins? So if we have flip two coins, we have four outcomes. So first flip, so we have the head and tail. Second flip, in this coin, so we have a probability of getting a head, another head, or a tail. Same as true to the other coin. We have a probability of getting the head or a tail. So here's the outcomes. So possible we have two heads and possible that we have getting a head and a tail. Same as true here, we have tails and head or both tails. Understand, class? So other example, roll of number of cube or what we call a dice. So we have 6 outcomes here because in a cube or a die, we have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, the probability of getting 0 number, so in a die, since we don't have 0 number, therefore, the probability of getting the 0 is just equal to 0%. Same as true for 1. And a probability of getting 1. So in probability of getting 1 is just equal to how many outcomes or favorable outcomes that do we have. So how many 1 are there in a die? There's only 1. And the number of outcomes. So we have 6. So if we get this one into this decimal point, we have 0.17 or what we call 70%. Next, probability of getting 2, 3, or 4. So we have 3 numbers, the 2, 3, and 4. So if we get those numbers, we have how many favorable outcomes? 3. You put 3, and the number of outcomes, we have 6, or just equal to 0.5 or 50%. And the last one, the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 favorable outcomes all over 6 outcomes that is equal to 1 or 100%. So a complement here, P not a 6. Oh, so if we say not a 6, it means you need to eliminate a number 6. So we have 5 favorable outcomes except 6 over 6, or what we call 83%. Another example. Last example, a deck of a card. So in one deck of a card, we have, how many cards do we have? 52. Very good. So we have 52 cards, and every type of a cards we have 13. So 13 types, 13 numbers, sorry. We have 4 types and 13 numbers. It's just equal to 52. So we have 52 pieces of cards, 13 cards for heart, 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of spades, and 13 cards of clubs. So here, so in a deck of a card, so the how many percent or probability in getting a red card? So a red card here, okay, let's go to previous slide. So we have 2 types of red cards, the diamond and the heart. So we need to get the probability of getting a red cards. So if you add 13 plus 13, that is 26, all over 52, the total of all cards is just equal to 1/2 or 50%. Next, the probability of ace card. So how many ace card do we have? So we have 4, right? 1 for a diamond, 1 for a heart, 1 for the spades, and 1 for the gloves. So the total of 4 aces. So just equal to 4 over 52, or just equal to 1 over 13. How do we get 1 over 13? We need to get the lowest term of this fraction. You need to divide it by both sides by 4 to get 1 over 13, or 7.7%. And the last one, getting the face card. So we have 3 types of face card, the jack, queen, and king. So in every types of cards, we have 3 types. So how many types do we have? Cards, we have 4. 3 multiplied by 4, we have 12. All over the total probability of cards, we have 52. So that 12 over 52 is just equal to 4 over 13, or 31%. Is that clear, class? Is there any question? If none, thank you for listening and God bless.